climate change is causing extreme weather conditions, more intense fires, and longer wildfire seasons. This is a challenge for those who live with and those who manage wildfires. WildFireSat is a satellite mission that will monitor all active wildfires in Canada on a daily basis. It will provide reliable data to allow for better prediction of fire behavior to help wildfire managers prepare and respond, and allow for more targeted and faster evacuations. The WildFireSat mission will provide more precise information on smoke, air quality conditions, and the carbon emitted by wildfires, for protecting lives and health, as well as our resources, infrastructures, and environment.